We're missing Filipino street food, so we made our own here in South Africa. Cooking and eating with my Filipino friends are just pure happiness. So come with me and I'll show you how I made it or where I got the ingredients for this, because South Africa, we don't have a lot of Filipino food. So now we're on our way to Asian store with my husband. Wala talaga mga Filipino store here in South Africa, and it's hard to find the Filipino products that we use every day, especially the condiments. That's why for Filipinas living here in South Africa, our best option is going to Asian or Chinese store where we can find alternative ingredients. Most of the condiments you'll see here are actually quite similar to what we use back home in the Philippines. You just have to be a bit creative to create Filipino dishes. So I need this one for sinigang and talong. I'm also getting radish, eggplant, green chilies, and some fish. The vegetables for sinigang aren't complete, so I have to use whatever is available. Whenever I have visitors or friends coming over, I always serve sinigang. For me, it's one of those Filipino dishes that really feels like some things our moms always cook, so it's very comforting. So I love to serve sinigang. And also, I'm getting two fish. It's pompano. So in English is pomfret. One is for sinigang and the other one I will grill it because I love also inihaw. Here in Pretoria, it's hard to find a fresh fish. Most Asian stores only have frozen ones. So if you want fresh fish, maybe check bigger supermarkets or coastal cities like Cape Town, Durban, or Port Elizabeth. This pompano looks like imported from China based on the packaging. And nagkuha rin ako ng sinigang and of course other condiments that I need for the street food. After Asian store, pumunta rin kami sa supermarket para mamili pa rin ng ibang kailangan namin. Fast forward, nakauwi na kami at narito na sa bahay. So these are yung mga pinamalingki namin, binili namin na grocery for 2 weeks as well. So, I have cabbage, kasi madalas ako nagsasalad, and then ito, cucumber. And then sa meat, we have chicken, tas ito, and itong sausage. Kasi dito sa South Africa, known sila sa boerewors or sausage na ganito. And meron tayong giniling kasi lulumpia and dito, nagsa-siomai ako. Tas itong beef. So, kung napapansin nyo, walang pork kasi hindi kumakain ako ng pork. Pero yung asawa ko kumakain. Pero bihira. Banana. Ito ay 60 pesos na. 6 na peraso, 60 pesos. So, 10 piso ang isa ng banana. And then, 60 pesos na rin ito. Itong ganito kaliit. Mahal ang mga gulay. Sobrang. And plums. Ang favorite ko dito. Dito lang ako nakatikim ng plum sa South Africa. Ngayon, canned corn. And lemon. Cabbage. Kalahati lang kinuha ko kasi yung isang buo. Di namin nauubos na naluluma. So, kalahati lang. Binigyan ako nito. Kalasa nito yung corn, parang sweet corn sa atin. Ganun ang lasa. Pero ito nga cheesy. And kumuha kami nitong Nescafe na Kit Kat and the vanilla one. So we will try this one. Wala kami na. So, and plain yogurt. Kasi ng asawa ko gusto niya lagi sa umaga mga ganitong almusal. And syrup. And nagkuha rin ako nitong gulaman. Kasi magagawin ako. And isang tray ng egg.
dito pala, per tray ang bili namin pag isang kalahating tray, isang tray. Dahil wala dito yung per tingi, nakatulad sa atin sa tindahan na bibili isang peraso. So sa mga market dito, ganito lagi ang tinda nila. So of course, tinapay. Brown ang kinuha namin, mas healthy daw. And meron pa nitong roll, pang breakfast. And ito yung nabili namin sa Asian store. We have tofu. And then, ito ay bok choy. And this one ay, I have labanos. Lalagay ko sa sinigang. And then, meron ako ditong parang pechay. Pero hindi ito. Mustard yata ang tawag nila. And of course, nagkuha ako ng itlog na maalat. Medyo mahal, 59, 150 plus itong 6 na peraso. But it's okay, bihira naman. And yung pang-pansit of course. And pompano. Nasa 600 ito, isang peraso. Pompano. Ang kinuha kong pampano ay dalawa. Dahil we have visitors tomorrow ng mga Pilipino. So mag-iihaw and sisinigang ako. So 600 ang isang peraso nun. Pesos. So this one is talong. And nagkuha rin ako nito mga pang fishball for tomorrow. And wrapper for siomai. And of course, the sinigang. Namili namin, pang 2 weeks na namin yan. Nang nasa 2,000 rand or nasa 6,000 pesos din. Madami-dami din. Ayan.
The next day, my friends were already here, so we started our bonding with Filipino street food. We had kwek-kwek, lumpiang gulay, fish ball, siomai, and we also made some melon flavored sa malamig. And some of my friends brought cupcake and brownies. And of course, we had our favorite sausawan, vinegar with cucumber, and the classic Manong style sauce for the fishball and everything. It's so good.
Hey!
We're having our lunch. We have sinigang, inihaw na isda, bagoong, pritong talong, tuyo, and itlog na maalat. And we also prepared meat dishes like chicken and beef for the husbands. After that, we just relaxed and watched Coachella. We enjoyed watching Beanie and Katsaye, if I'm not mistaken. And that's how we spent the rest of the afternoon, having tea, watching, having chismes, I would say, until evening. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!